Today we're just using the Power Probe PPECT3000 to find an open circuit on the fog lights on this Toyota Amazon. I have no power coming out to the fog lights here. We have a problem with the ground that were repaired before. We'll tidy all that up after. But we're trying to find the open circuit. So we have the CT3000 connected into the power wire coming to the right hand fog light. This wire goes the whole way back to a relay and fuse in the under bonnet fuse box. So with the CT3000 you connect it to the battery, have it connected inside, and then you have an output wire that you connect to the wire that you're testing. So we have it plugged out off the fog light, we're connected in here. This is putting a fixed frequency signal into the wire that this receiver will pick up. You can adjust the sensitivity on the receiver, higher or lower. So we'll just start off with it around the middle. So you just start off with it and move along. So we hear beeping, that means it still has, the wire has continuity as far as here. Keep going. If you move away, you lose the signal. You can change the sensitivity so that it's make it more sensitive. So if you move away a tiny bit, you lose the signal. We're going to keep it up middle and high because we want to try find it behind the bumper without having to take the bumper off. So we're going to run up along here. So we have continuity as far as here. We're kind of losing the signal here. I'm going to set the frequency up, or sorry, sensitivity up higher. I'm just going to follow along in the bumper and move away, it stops beeping. Now the wire runs somewhere in behind the bumper. I'm kind of losing it here now, but over here, still have a signal. So the wire runs in behind the bumper along here. So now I can get my hand in here, going along the loom. Now I can set the sensitivity down a bit because I'm back close to the loom. So the loom is running here, in here. Now we have our signal back. We're following along. And see it's beeping and the red light is on all along until I get to here. Go a little bit beyond it and it stops. I'll just set the sensitivity down a bit more. I have a signal down here and it stops. So it's like the problem is in this connection here. Let's see if we can open it. And it's not actually the connection, it's a wire broke in at the back. See here, so the green wire is broken. So that's where our break is. So this green wire is going back into the fuse box, coming out of the fuse box, and in where my hand is here, it's teeing out then to go to the front left fog light and the front right fog light. So again, wires, that's where the break is. So that was very handy to help us find the fault without stripping the whole loom and taking off bumpers and cutting off tape and covers over the loom. That's it, thanks.